Hey, welcome to the Daily Dose. Let's dig into it. So let's talk about how to leverage big data for your business, right? How do we do that? How do we leverage data for our business? What even is? I've got to ask the question, what's data, right? Well, a form of data, right, is going to be, let's just use the example of emails. So how do you leverage email still in today's environment, right, to help grow your business, right? It's huge. Data, the saying is, he or she who owns the most data wins, right? Like, for example, my email list is 20 plus million names and emails, right? So we're owning some of our data space because we can do what? We can email and put initiatives and things in all those email boxes. So that's how you can leverage data, is you can buy lists, you can, do value add things to get people to sign up for your list, right? So on and so forth. The fastest way is to purchase lists. Just be careful with that because there's a lot of crappy lists out there that people buy and they're garbage. So there's reputable places you can do that with. But leveraging data leads to dollars. So that's just one way when I talk about email marketing type stuff, to leverage email and name data to help grow your business. Take a look at that in your niche and start seeing how you can build your data on email to start owning a bigger chunk of that market. All right. Hope that was helpful. We'll see you on the next dose. I hope you found this video useful. Follow me right here on YouTube for more great content daily. Download my international best-selling book, Be Good, Be Brief, Be Gone, for absolutely free at growfast.club. I say again, download my book at growfast.club for all of my 7-figure growth hacks. Get your copy now while it's still free.
There it is. Magnum. Holy moly.
Yeah, baby! That's what I've been waiting for!
Dear God.